Okay, let's begin Premiere Pro. I put a video on my timeline that's I like to color grading. See, this is before color grading and this is after result. If you selected clip, by default Lumetric color panel should show here, but if you miss it, then go window and select Lumetric color. Now in the Lumetric color panel you see basic correction. Tick mark on it. Now we correction right sliders. What is more effective for us? By the slider, you can test what is correct for your video. Okay, this is enough for color grading. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.